Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unfreeze your Dave debit card. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Profile. Now, scroll down to the bottom. Under Dave debit cards is an option that says Physical Card. Tap on Physical Card. Under Manage Card, you will see an option for Unfreeze Physical Card. Tap on Unfreeze Physical Card. Next, tap on Unfreeze Card. Now, you will see a message saying that your physical card has been unfrozen. That's how you unfreeze your Dave debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.